Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
So it's a good practice to follow, not mandatory, but good to follow. Okay. So what is the type of organization that we created? Can we tell it by looking at this particular page? What is the type of the organization? The person who is registering. Right. It is visible here, and we are looking at this object as of 9th of March. Right, as of today. We are looking at this organization as of today. Right. So now, what does that mean? Now view as of. Does this indicate that we can look at this organization? Of it as of a different state, like maybe in the past or maybe in the future. Not from today, from today. No, from today. Yes, because that's what we created. But can we look at this organization structure as of a future date? What do you think? Yeah, we can, yes, we can, yes, we can. We would be able to view this organization as of a future date. Now what? What is the function? What is the advantage of doing that? Or what is the plus point of being able to look into the future? So it is because we are opening a new thing in future date, so that we are doing it at once. So let's say you are hiring a few people, right? You are going to hire 5, 6 workers as part of this organization. So you and all of them may not be hired on the same day, right? So they will be. Maybe the first worker is going to join us next week. The second person is going to join us next month, and so on. So you want to look at this organization structure as of the 1st of June, by which you are expecting that all of these people will join. So if you look at this organization as of the 1st of June 2022, then you will be able to see all the workers that you are planning to hire. Or maybe you are already in the process of hiring. So you can look at this as of a future effective date as well. Alright, that will typically allow you to look at future dated hires. Now maybe this is, let's say, this is an old organization. It was created in 2010 or something. And then there were many people who came in who were part of this organization. Then they left. They were transferred. They were terminated, and so on. They retired. So a lot of stopping activity may have happened over the years. So, if you want to look at this organization structure as of, let's say, the 1st of January 2021, then you can also look at this particular structure as of a past effective date. Now this organization we just created, this doesn't have a lot of history. But if you want to look at an organization as of a past effective date, you can definitely do it. But here we are not going to do it anyway. So now, we have just created the organization. Let's look at the Details tab. There are a lot of tabs. Let's quickly go over them. So in the Details tab, it gives the information that we just entered. The availability date. This was picked up from the reorganization date. We chose to use that. The type is supervisory. The subtype is department. That's what we chose. This is a code that we had given 1001. And we also said that include the code as part of the name. And do you see that it is included? Right. The code 1001 is included as part of the name. Isn't it? So we did that. And then what else? We said the visibility to be everyone. That's what happened. And then we went to the staffing. We had chosen job management as our staffing model. That is what it is here. And in the roles we had assigned what? Manager, manager. The role of manager. So let's search for it. You can search for the role of manager. Right. So didn't we assign? Did we get rid of it at the end? Oh no, there are just too many managers. Yeah, that's what happens in a lot of the organizations. Right, too many managers. Well, it happened here as well. Too many types of managers. Let's find our manager here. It is. Okay, let's filter it out. And we have assigned it to Logan McNeil. Right. That's what has happened. And the organization assignments. We have not done anything so far, so it is all blank. Security groups. We have not done anything, all blank. So we have created our first organization. Yes. But in this roles column, did you redefine? Did you define the manager again? I mean, what did you do? Just missed it. I was just finding it. So I clicked on this assignable role to filter it out. You see, I am searching for something. You see, there are 833 items. Now difficult for me to find the one I need, right? So I just click on it, OK. And I first for manager. But then we have already assigned a manager to our organization. So correct. I just wanted to show you. I'm not assigning the role. I'm just showing that this is what has already been assigned. So will it not reflect your base? Still after search for a visit. I just have to search for it, because there are just too many of them. 852 rules which are showing up. A lot of it are empty. That's why I wanted to show you then. Yeah, we have assigned it. Go ahead. Got it. Okay. You can also sort defending. So only the ones where you have assigned somebody. Those things will show up, and then we can see. You see, manager. The manager role has been assigned to Logan McNeil. Okay. Now, this is our first organization. Do we have any members here? Who are members? No members. No members. We haven't hired anyone yet. Right. We have just created the organization. So we have not hired anyone yet. That's why it is showing up as 0. We will hire in due course of time. But right now, we are just creating the hierarchy structure. So what was the subordinate organization of XYZ Motors? In our assignment yesterday, if anyone remembers. They'll execute yourself. Manufacturing executive executive. Executive right. Executive executive. Executive executive. Was the direct subordinate of XYZ Motors. Yes. And the sales and manufacturing were subordinates of executive exactly. So now let's try to see if we can create a top-down hierarchy structure. Like yesterday, you people were saying maybe a top-down hierarchy structure is easy to create, right? Let's try it out. So we have already got our first supervisory organization. Now let's go to the related actions of this particular organization. And I will scroll down to something called as reorganization. You see related actions of this reorganization. And I have a few options.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.